Hey, are you looking for some more cash to do some shopping this weekend? Looking for some cash for a Gucci bag? How about some cash for some groceries? Hey, are you going on vacation and you need some money just to cover the room? You want to go for 1 or 2 days? Hey, how about some of you guys? Hey, Martin, I have a new job and I just want to have some new pants to wear, new shoes to wear. Or hey, Martin, I want to study for this training course like you did with Grant Cardone. You paid $297. Hey, mine's just one of those where they say you can do it for $99. How can I get some cash for that? Or how about you just need some money to pay the light bill and you're sick of going to the payday loan place because they're charging you 25, 26%, 35% interest. You know how you can get some extra cash? Let me show you how. You know why? It's called a credit card transfer balance, where you go from that big 30, 40% interest to 0% or maybe 6.5%, but you pay less interest. Subscribe, comment below. Let me show you the power interest.